Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Laurie.
And if this is the first time dropping into our channel, welcome. Live from San Mateo, California, only recorded. So it was inevitable. You got an outdoor pizza oven, you gotta try a frozen store bought pizza. So, Laurie, what do we got here?
Well, today I always wanted to try a cauliflower pizza. And there's many steps involved in making a cauliflower pizza, so I bought one at Costco. This is Milton's cauliflower pizza with roasted vegetables.
Okay. And so we've had the oven on for 20 minutes
On
low.
low.
And the center of stone's about 532. I think if you do this in an oven, you want it around what, 450?
425.
425.
Uh-huh.
And let's see how we're going to launch this. Okay, we're going to try and just launch right off of here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's launched.
Okay, this is our pizza pan that we bought at Walmart some time ago, and it works great to launch and to make your pizza.
So, one thing you know with a frozen pizza, you're pretty much guaranteed a successful launch. So that's one plus. We are going to be heading out on a trip. We're taking the Ooni Koda 16, but we're leaving the stone at home, and we're going to use a baking steel to cook all our pizzas and other dishes that in the Ooni. So you might want to drop back in and check those videos out. They should start appearing within the next week or two. Okay, so second thing is pretty easy to turn.
Maybe it needs to go on Uni Ultra Low, huh?
Well,
think?
I don't know yet. So let's just hang in here a little bit. Put the pizza back in the same place. So now, what was that temperature if you're doing it?
425.
For about 12 to 14 minutes. Okay? We're got our stone around 525. So let's see how long it takes. I don't think we're going to get a big rise out of this though, right?
No.
Are we? All right, well.
But it should be very crisp.
Yeah, so we're looking for crisp. We're looking for all the vegetables cooked, right? We're looking for is
Cheese.
that actually cheese?
Cheese to be
Real
melted.
cheese?
This is regular cheese.
Okay, so we're going to look for the cheese to be melted and not burnt. So, and again, we're going to rotate because, as you know, if you've got an Ooni Koda 16, you've got the L burner design. So even though it's a frozen pizza, we need to turn it. So now,
Well, we should have
hang on
set
one
a
second.
timer.
Let me try this. Let's see if we can use the Ooni turning peel.
We might have to move it to the far corner, huh?
Well, we'll just see. We'll kind of try to cook it the way we would a normal pizza.
Well, it looks like the cheese is almost...
Yeah, so, all right, we'll take it down below the Ooni low. All right.
Actually, I think maybe, I don't know if it's fragile. It might,
Okay,
fall
so
apart.
you're not really
yeah.
feeling comfortable with using
Right,
this, huh?
yeah.
Okay, all right, we'll put this down. My
I'm
goal.
not having a lot of experience with a cauliflower crust.
My goal is to make you happy. All right.
He laughs.
Okay, yeah, so we're getting a little bit of burn, or we call char. And maybe we should have been at the Uni Low from the beginning.
Yeah.
So, on our trip, Laurie's made some biga, so we're going to be doing, I think it was biga, or was it the guys from Roberta's?
No, biga.
Biga, okay. So we're going to do some biga pizzas on a baking steel. You know, we always thought, what would happen if we broke our stone? What would we do? And so we had baking steel, and we actually cooked one pizza already, but Laurie was hesitant to share that video, so we didn't. It was many months ago. But we always felt the baking steel could be a backup for our pizza stone. And actually the pizza turned out pretty good. So how do we tell when this is done?
That I don't know, but maybe we need to keep it up here by the
Keep it
corner.
up front?
Well, no,
Okay.
by the corner, you know, where it's the least heat.
Okay.
When we first started to make pizza, we would experience burning, and we would try to move it up to the right corner in the front.
So that front right corner is 304. This one is 323. Back corner is 647. Back right corner is about 500. So we've got it away from the heat. Yeah, we didn't time it.
Oh, I have it going.
Oh, do you? Okay.
It's only been 3 minutes.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I didn't start it right from the beginning.
So, you know, I've never had a cauliflower pizza. I'm a meat person. This is all veggies and then cheese. So I'm kind of curious what it's going to taste like. I think we could put this down because we'll put the pizza on here just like we would a regular pizza.
Okay.
And at some point here, we're going to have to make a decision. I think we can go a little longer, huh?
Yeah. It's about 9 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're going to go.
Okay.
All right. We're back.
It looks delicious.
It looks delicious, but we have no idea whether this thing is cooked or not. So let's, I don't know, are we going to let it cool here?
It's been, no, I don't think we need to let it
Okay,
cook.
then we're going to just transfer it right onto the pizza round.
So it's been about 9 minutes.
Okay, if you put the pizza around there. All right. The moment of truth.
And it's supposed to be 12 to 14, but it's a lot hotter in the
Yeah.
pizza oven.
Well, it sounds crispy. You want the honor? Take the first piece?
Okay, I'll take this little piece. Did you cut this little one for me?
Of course.
Whoop. Good.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay. This is a first for me. Cauliflower pizza.
I think the dough could have gone a little bit longer.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
That
So
is
what
hot.
Uh-huh. But the edges are nice and crisp.
The meat. There is no meat. The vegetables are done.
It's a really nice flavor.
So the question comes down: is the dough done? So this kind of reminds me. I don't know if they're around anymore, but a tombstone pizza. I mean,
Never had one.
you never had one? Well, generally they were served late at night in bars, but I do like the taste. So, I don't know. What would you grade our cook on this?
A B.
Okay, that was what I was going to say. Well, a B.
But it has a good flavor.
It has a good
I think
flavor.
you wouldn't miss really having a regular pizza crust.
Okay. So, I mean, it was inevitable. We were going to try a frozen pizza. I really enjoy the flavor. You can't really tell that cauliflower, you really can't tell that it's cauliflower. At least
No.
I can't. So that's a plus if you don't like cauliflower. I find it very tasty. The seasoning on it is good.
Mm-hmm.
The vegetables are done. I even like their sauce. So
Now this piece is a little bit, it's just only slightly doughy.
well, again, didn't somebody say that the pizza dough is not always 100% cooked or something? I don't know, but
I don't know.
let's see if we can see what the bottom of this. Well, no, I'm afraid that'll just fall apart.
Or you
but-
can hold it this way.
Well, yeah, give it to that camera there.
How about-
yeah.
About that way.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Can
well,
you see it up there? Oh, yeah.
yeah. See, I think the crust is cooked, but
Now, Bill, being a meat eater and very rarely eats vegetarian pizza, you gave it, on flavor, what would you give it? An A?
well, there's no soppressata, no pepperoni, no mild fennel Italian sausage. So yeah, it's in the B range, not in the A. It doesn't make it into the A.
I think it has a really nice,
It does. It has a nice taste.
really nice taste, and it has a nice texture.
And I guess if I was in a pinch and I was all out of dough, and maybe you're having somebody over and you didn't realize they were vegetarian at the last minute. Although I always get confused on whether cheese is meats vegetarian.
Well,
or
it's not vegan,
It's not vegan. Okay. Oh,
but
good
it's
enough.
not. But it,
All right. So why don't we kind of wrap things up? What is your thoughts on the pizza?
Actually, I would buy it again,
You would?
especially if I was trying to eliminate cholesterol from my diet.
Okay, that's good. If you made it, I would eat it. I don't know that I'd purposely want to make it, but it is tasty, and I'm looking forward, once we turn the cameras off, to having a few more slices. So, all right. So, hopefully you got some enjoyment, if nothing else, some entertainment and a little bit of information out of this video. Keep an eye out for our videos coming up from places like Colorado and other to be determined places kind of east of here. We'd like to swing up and see Mount Rushmore and the Badlands and some other areas. A lot will depend on the smoke, but so please drop back in and look at those videos.
But don't forget, we'll be thanking our house sitter while
Yes,
we're gone.
Absolutely. And other than that, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. What do we say, Laurie?
Like, share, and subscribe. See you on the road.
See you on the road.
Bye.
Bye. It's okay.